Hello, my name is Nate Lammy, and I am the Professional Development and Training Specialist here at Flat for Education. Today, I want to talk about how to organize your assignments and your scores in Flat for Education using the Collections tool. So, if you're anything like me, when I first started, I was making assignments like crazy. They had titles like this, they were unfinished, they were partially put together, and I thought to myself, what am I going to do with all of this mess? So, I began to delve into collections. If you click on assignments, it will bring you to all the assignments you normally have when you click on My Assignments. But collections allows you to have folders that are full of assessments that you have put into them. And the easiest way to create a collection is to press right here. These collections will allow you to put the assignments you want into certain places. So for this example, we're going to call this December assignments. You could, in this case, have all of your assignments for December in here, or in this case, you might do all of your performance assessments in here. Maybe you have it by grade level or by school. These collections allow you to find the lessons you are looking for. So while these are a bit of a mess, if I'm going to get ready for a demo, I can scroll down to my demo assignments and it has all of the assessments I use when I do a demo with a new school. You can also, when you have your collections and with individual lessons, share them. So if I like this assessment a lot, this label the pitches one, I have the ability to share this with anyone in my organization. So you, as a teacher, if your colleague or friends in other buildings who are on the same account all like an assessment, you can go into the assessment here, in the drop down, and hit share. This will allow it to appear in the shared assignments category right here. Anyone in your organization who is on the same account has the same shared assignments area, so you can click and use this assessment. Don't worry, when you make a copy for yourself, it doesn't hurt the other person's original, it just makes a copy for you. That way you can personalize it to your individual group. Additionally, while we're here in assignments, don't forget, in the FFE assignments, these are 58 at the moment assignments that you can use with your classes. So if you're very new to the platform and you're not really sure how to get started, try some of our FFE assignments and see if they work for you. You can also do the same thing with collections in the score library. It's just a slightly different process. As you can see, the collections live on top while the new arrangements are on the bottom. So if I go to new collection or create score, I'll be able to create a new collection here. Thank you so much. We hope to see you in the next one.